Why is it that some people who have simple sales and marketing funnel strategies are able to absolutely crush fancier, more expensive funnels? In a couple seconds, you're going to discover the number one killer of sales and marketing funnels. But you'll want to keep watching because I'll also reveal the proven three-step process top experts use to further optimize sales and marketing funnel strategies. But first, after 14 years of working with business owners and online entrepreneurs, I have found that the biggest killer of their sales and marketing funnels is confusion. Here's what I mean. There's confusion as it relates to the business owner, the funnel owner, because they aren't exactly sure how they want people to move through their funnel to go from cold prospect to paying customer. And then there's also confusion from the customer point of view as well. Whether it's an email or a website or a video, they are often experiencing confusion as it relates to why they should even care about what they're being presented. To take it a step further, they're often confused by what the next step is that they're supposed to be taking, and they often don't know exactly what they're supposed to be doing to accomplish that step. Can you relate to this? Have you ever given up on buying from a business because you were frustrated or confused by what needed to get done? If you have, hit that like button and comment below with your story as to what made it so frustrating or confusing to deal with that business. So what can you do to prevent confusion from killing your sales and marketing funnel strategies? Number one, clearly define each step that you want people to take to move from being a cold, unknown person to your business to a paid customer. You don't want people to feel like they are going through some sort of Plinko board game where they are bouncing around throughout your funnel and then hopefully landing on whatever product or service you want them to purchase. Instead, you want something that is more like a funnel, where they land in a specific spot and there's only one thing for them to do as they move from one step to the next until they eventually become a lead, a paying customer, a repeat customer, etc. Number two, clearly state the benefit as to why each step of your funnel is beneficial to them. If you are sending out an email, the email should clearly state why it's beneficial in the subject at the very beginning. But you need to take it a step further. As you get into your email and you want them to say, head to your website or watch a video, you need to say why they should want to go to your website, why they should want to watch your video. And then when they land on your website, when they land on your video, you need to then let them know in the headline, hey, here's what this video, here's what this sales page has for you that is beneficial. And then from there, when it comes to your products and services, again, you are reminding them, here's why it's beneficial for you to take this next step. Every single part of your funnel should clearly explain why it is beneficial for them to care about it, how it's going to help them, and why they should keep paying attention. A great test for this is called the grunt test. Essentially, when someone lands on your website on any sort of sales page, they should, within the first 5 to 6 seconds, be able to sum up what this page is about thanks to your headline. If you can't do that, if they can't do that, you need to optimize and revise your sales page, your website, your landing page, etc. Step number 3, clearly explain what people need to do to take the next step in your funnel. If they are reading an email and you want to send them to a website, tell them to learn more about this product or service, click the button below. And then on that button or on that link, say, click here to learn more about this product or service. Once they get to your website, if you want to send them to an order form or some sort of checkout for your product or service, once again, have some sort of call to action text that says, to get this special offer right now, click the link below, click the button below. And then the button should say, click here for access, or yes, send me the report, or yes, I want this special offer. Make it very clear what they need to do. And that also means eliminating any other confusion or anything else that could distract them on your website. There shouldn't be other buttons and links to take them to other locations. The whole point of a funnel is to say you have one thing that you need to do from this step, and it's to click this link. You have one thing to do after this video, it's to click this button. If you have 4 different buttons, 8 different menu items, and a whole bunch of ads on your page, you are adding way too much confusion, way too many possible distractions to lose people and kill your sales and marketing funnel strategy. Hopefully now you can see the benefit of both removing the confusion from your sales and marketing funnel strategy, as well as implementing that clear process for how you want people to move through your funnel so that you can optimize and scale your business efforts moving forward, which I will cover in a future video. Now, if you really want to take your business to the next level, you'll want to take my free 60-second quiz, which will reveal how much potential your current business strategy has and how you can optimize it. If you'd like to take that free quiz, just click the link below this video right now. If you're planning to offer online courses, memberships, digital products, etc. moving forward, you'll want to check out this video next, where I reveal the 5 key features that you will want in any online course platforms in 2023.